Hello students, I am your maths teacher. In today's class, we are going to see about integers, that is addition and subtraction on integers. So what is the meaning of addition and subtraction? So before starting, we should know this particular formula, that is plus into plus plus, minus into minus plus, minus into plus minus, plus into minus minus. So how to keep this formula in your mind? If both the signs are same means it is going to be positive. If it is going to be different means it is going to be negative. So keeping this concept in your mind, we are going to do the calculation. So in this exercise, you are going to have addition and subtraction combined together, students. So how to do the sum now? Just see the first question. First, you are going to calculate the sign. You are going to see the sign properly and then do the calculation. So how to check the sign? First, you have to remove the bracket and you have to check the sign and then do the calculation. First, remove the bracket, that is plus 73 can be written as 73, plus into plus plus 37. Now if you check the sign, both are positive, so you are going to add the number. After adding, you are going to get the answer as 110. Coming to the next question also, same way, plus into plus plus, you are going to get the answer as 160. If you are going to have positive and negative sign together, you have to be very careful. So how to do the calculation in this part is, if you check minus 36, I am writing it as it is, minus 36, here plus into minus minus 42. First we are removing the bracket here, students. After removing, check the sign. Both the signs are same, that is even it is negative, both the signs are same. Add the number and you are going to write the greater number sign. Here what is the greater number? Both are negative, so it is not a problem. What is the greater number here is 42. The sign for 42 is minus, write that sign. Coming to the next question, evaluate. What is the question given here is same concept. You are going to check the sign first, students, that is plus 110 can be written as 110, minus into plus minus 20. Write it as it is. 110 minus 20, you are going to get the answer as 90. Coming to the next question, minus into plus minus, subtract the number, you are going to get the answer as 283. Same way you are going to do the next sum. But if you see here, plus 48 can be written as 48, minus 48. If you subtract, you are going to get the answer as 0, students. Coming to the next question, 0 minus of minus 78. First, you are going to calculate the sign, students, that is minus into minus, you are going to get the value as plus. 0 plus 78, you are going to get the value as 78. Coming to this question, here you are going to have in the form of modulus, that is you are going to have in this form. If you are going to have in modulus form means, I told you already, whatever value you are going to get, whatever sign you are going to get, it will be as positive. Minus, that is modulus of minus 63 can be written as 63. So this is an important concept here. Applying this concept, modulus of minus 63 can be written as 63, that is 36 minus 63. Sign is different, subtract the number. After subtracting, greater number sign you are going to write in this place. Coming to this question, modulus of minus 18 minus 18. Minus 18 minus 18, add the number, you will get the answer as minus 36. Remove from the modulus symbol. After removing, you are going to get the answer as 36. So this is an important calculation. You have to do it carefully. In this case, you will be having positive sign, negative sign, bracket, and as well as this modulus symbol. So while you are doing the calculation, you have to be very careful. We have to check the sign and then you have to do the calculation. 4a, what should be added to 10 so that the sum becomes minus 21? So what is the question asking? They are asking here is, students, they are asking you to add sum. What number if I add with 10, I will get the answer as minus 21. So I don't know the number what I'm going to add. So I'm going to take the number as x. Let the number be x plus 10. So that is the question given here. What is the question given here? What should be added to 10? So I don't know what is the number I'm going to add. I'm going to give the name as x. X plus 10 equal to minus 21. I should get the answer as minus 21. So just you're going to bring this plus 10 to left to right. After bringing, you're going to get the answer as x is equal to minus 31. Coming to the next question. What is the number which gives 12 when minus 39 is subtracted from it? So while you are subtracting the number, you are going to get the answer as minus 12. And what is the number you are going to subtract? That is the thing they are asking you. So from it, we don't know what is the number I am going to add here. So I am going to take like this, students. X minus of minus 39 equal to 12. Minus into minus, you are going to get the value as plus. Calculate, you are going to get the value as minus 27. Students, if you observe these two questions, they are asking you in the form of statement sum. What we are doing is, we are reading the statement carefully and according to that we are answering the question. And another important thing is, if they are asking you to find the number, means you are going to give the sum name. That is, you are going to give it as x, y, z. It is up to you. Just I am giving the name as the number be x. So you can give any variable. Just I am naming it as x. And you have to read it very carefully, and according to that you are going to apply the sign. So based on that concept, we are doing two sums here. Sum number 6. They are asking you to simplify this question, students. What we are going to do here is, if you see the question, how much totally you are having 4 values, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do the calculation in any way. What I am doing is, I am taking the first 2, calculating, I am going to get the answer as 6. Next 2, I am calculating, I am getting the answer as minus 8. So the final answer 6 minus 8, I am going to get the answer as minus 2. So I am just taking the first 2 and last 2. It is up to you to do the sum. You can do in any way. You can combine any values and find the answer. Similarly, if you are going to come for the next question, you are having 5 questions. You can take any 2, calculate, and you can find the answer. I have done in this way, that is 11 minus 7, you will get the answer as 4. Minus 8 plus 13, you will get the answer as plus 5. And minus 20, I am writing it as it is. Again, we are having 3 values here. You can take the 3 values in any order. Again, I am taking the first 2. While I am taking the first 2, I am going to get the value as 9, students. After getting, I am writing the value this down. So 9 minus 20, you are going to get the value as minus 11. Coming to the next question. Here you are having 5 questions. You can do in any way, students. Just I am taking the first 2. After taking the first 2, I will get the answer as 36. The next 2, when I am taking, I am getting the value as minus 63. Minus 15, write it as it is. In this case, just for your understanding, I am taking the next 2. You can take the first 2 or anything, students. It is up to you, but you have to be careful while you are doing the sum. Minus 63 minus 15, you will get the answer as minus 78. 36 minus 78, you will get the answer as minus 42. So, in this class, we have completed the sums based on integers, that is addition and subtraction. You have to work out the sum as many times as possible, students. Writing practice is very important for this exercise. And try to do more sums in this part. And be careful while you are doing the calculation. And another important thing is, if you are having 5 questions, you can take in any order and calculate the question value and then find the answer. If you are going to change the order, nothing is going to be changed. You will be getting the same answer if you do the calculation correctly. So be careful while you are doing the calculation. Understand the concept clearly and write neatly in your classwork note. Thank you.